What's good, YouTube, man? Today we got a little POV today, man. Finna go link up with my man's Twig and this 5-0. We finna head to, what we doing today? We finna head to, I'm finna meet him at South Lake right quick. Get some items, and then finna meet him. We finna head over to Legacy Ford today. He trying to see how much they'll give him for his Mustang. He trying to get the dark horse. He trying to go big on big, y'all. So shit, that's what today we got. A little POV video for y'all today. A little vlog POV, man. So y'all stay tuned.
Fofo looked up to by gangsters. I don't give a fuck about your nigga, he's a wankster. Yeah, I ride around with some bangers. It was Nissan, but now I wanna cop a Bentley truck. Bentley truck, ooh, 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 Bentley truck.
On the way to link up with Twig right now. Cool little POV Drive. I wish I could play music and record it. I'm gonna let her warm up a little bit before I put her in that one mode. Have a little bit of fun. You know what I'm saying? Steering wheel, bro. The steering wheel, alright, y'all. Don't ever sleep on this one. I know a lot of people don't like it. Like my man Johnny, he don't like this one. He like the skinny one. I like that one too, but don't get me wrong, this one not bad. I want to say I came from the super skinny one without the paddle shifters and all that. So it's a little bit of a upgrade for me. But eventually I want to get the one where it light up at the top, the super sport one. We'll get it one day, man. Cannot wait to throw that downpipe on here, man. It's gonna be crazy. Get that tune. It's definitely gonna be a vibe, man. I'm not used to having no exhaust, y'all. So that'd be kinda sick. But you can hear that motor though. First blinker in the BMW. Can we make it? Slow cruise, slow cruise. Should have left my, what's the name, at home. My State Farm beacon, y'all. Gotta be tracking how I'm driving. Today's gonna be a crazy day. Yeah, that nigga Camaro suck. Good little POV in the stock. B58, man, stock 340. I ain't gonna get too many more of these. Sooner or later, this shit gonna be loud and obnoxious. Remember that bit from way back? I ain't gonna lie, it's beautiful outside today, y'all. 76 degrees. 76 degrees, it's been cold as a motherfucker. Last night, it just held last night, thunderstorm. though. Hearing all this clanking and shit. Riverdale. We ain't got no action on the highway today. Nobody outside that want to try this shit. Surprisingly, when these niggas do try this shit, it be crazy because they don't be expecting this shit. Because I ain't gonna lie, outside it might look like I got tent. You know what I'm saying? I got a wing, I got a wang, I got some rims. But overall, it looked pretty. I don't even got the M Sport kit on here. So I got her in sleeper mode right now. So motherfuckers be surprised when that bitch get to getting up out of there on niggas. Like, what the fuck is that? Every time we get to a little, like a stoplight, they're like, what the fuck is that? Yeah, it's the B58, nigga. It's that B58, boy. Alright, y'all, so just pulled up on that boy Twig. Gonna go meet him inside. You know what I'm saying? Got the infamous 5-0. See where that boy at, man. Yeah, I see the drip for today, man. Slight shit. You know what I'm saying? Don Pierre. All this parking space. And this nigga park right next to us, dog. Look at all this shit. And this nigga park right next to us. Good job, bro.
Hey, why everybody trying this shit today? Hey, this must be the fast lane.
That boy had enough. He had enough. That boy had enough. Why he had enough like that, yo? That boy going crazy. Why you going crazy like that, man?
This is my girl. I got a whip 3.0 on mine.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, that what's up, fam? Keep going. What your shit? Shadow?
Yeah, I'm about to shadow.
I got you.
All right, bro.
All right, what? That boy going sick. He might crash out by the by the end of the day. That boy might crash out by the end of the day. Can't get twig in there. That boy say he got a whip on his shit. No wonder his shit sliding. See, I know one thing the Mustangs can't do. They can't smash on it all day and have a whole bunch of gas. We can. Hey, I can't wait to get exhaust for y'all, man. Shit gonna be crazy. Crazy little day, man. We already got a whole bunch of action. And I missed it, man. We had a whole bunch of people flying on this road. Fucking that 5.0 though, that's what we like. We like that 5.0. Today, y'all. Beautiful day out. It's just one of them days. Made it to the Ford dealership. Y'all see us. You see us, you know us. You say you see us, you know us now. See us, you chill now.
Against the B58 BMW, it's neck and neck. I'm stopped. I got both of them, but I ain't got
Woo-wee. Them boys got them things out, man. Boy got them whips out, man. We up here at Ford, man. He finna Ford legacy, man. It's the legacy for him. But nah, he finna see if he can get what he gonna do for that dark horse, man.
I ain't gonna lie, that bitch neck and neck.
Yeah, man. So he in here to get the Bronco. He came in to get the Bronco, y'all. He giving up the 5.0. You know what I'm saying? It's bigger and better things, man. We on family shit right now, bro. We gotta get a Bronco, bro. Hey, don't get it fucked up. This the Bronco Sport. Don't get it fucked up. Hey,
Boy, I gotta give the
8 speed, man. That bitch got 8 speeds. Hey, that shit 46,000. Y'all can down there see me in it. You're too hot, don't stand too close. I don't like nobody going to services today, bro. You. Yep. F-150 trimmer. What the hell is this? My boy got an F-150 trimmer, motherfucker. Ford got one thing. They got them trucks.
up to by gangsters. I don't give a fuck about your nigga, he's a wankster. Yeah, I ride around with some bangers. It was Nissan, but now I wanna cop a Bentley truck, Bentley truck, ooh, 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 Bentley truck.